Clara is opening the window. She is breathing in the fresh morning air. She is enjoying the quiet moment, feeling calm and happy as the village is slowly waking up. She is heading to the well early in the morning to fetch fresh water for the day. She is drawing water from the well, turning the wheel carefully. She is walking home along the small path, carrying the bucket of fresh water. She notices bees flying gently from flower to flower, small birds pecking at ripe apples in the tree, and butterflies gliding through the meadow. All these little details make her smile as she continues her calm walk home. Clara starts preparing breakfast for her family. She is kneeling by the stove, carefully lighting the fire inside. She is cracking a few eggs into the hot pan. The eggs are frying gently. She is also frying sausages and bacon, tomatoes and mushrooms. Now she is toasting slices of bread in the hot pan.
Mom, the breakfast looks amazing!
Thank you, sweetheart. I'm glad you like it.
I love mornings like this.
You really outdid yourself today, honey.
I wanted us to have a cozy morning.
Can we go outside later?
Yes, sweetheart, after we finish eating.
Now, the family is walking together into the garden, with a basket in their hands. The parents and children are picking ripe strawberries from the bushes. Everyone is tasting the sweet, juicy fruit. The strawberries are delicious. The children are watering the vegetables carefully, while the parents are gently tending the tomato bushes nearby. Now they are feeding the animals. The whole yard feels lively and full of movement. The children are running happily along the farm path with their dog and cat. They're laughing and slowing down to look at the animals around them. The children are now standing by the wooden fence and pointing at the horses.
Dad finally finished the treehouse.
I know, it's amazing! This treehouse is like a beautiful castle in the sky.
Yeah, Dad must have worked on it forever.
Let's go look out the window.
Okay.
Wow! The village is so beautiful! And look, the river is sparkling!
Clara is milking the goat. She is holding a bucket beneath it while the milk is flowing steadily. She is carrying the bucket of fresh milk home while the young goats are following her along the path. Clara's husband James is carefully sharpening the scythe. He is cutting the tall grass, clearing the field. Clara is hanging the clean clothes on the line. The clothes are drying in the sunlight, gently moving in the breeze. Now James is chopping wood with an axe near the woodshed. A pile of chopped logs is growing beside him. Meanwhile, Clara and her daughter are walking toward the henhouse.
Let's go together to the coop and see how many eggs we can find today. Ready?
Yes. I bet there are lots.
Well done, sweetheart. Now go see if there are more eggs in the coop.
I will. I'll be very careful.
That's my helper.
Look, Mommy, I found some more eggs.
Oh, wonderful, honey. Let's put them here.
James and his son are digging a hole in the garden, preparing the ground for a young tree.
Is the tree gonna grow really big?
Yes, if we take good care of it.
I'll water it every day.
Then it will grow strong, just like you.
Clara is slicing beef for stew on a wooden cutting board. She is seasoning the meat. The beef is simmering and steam is rising into the air. She is now cutting the vegetables. She is adding onions and garlic to the stew, along with carrots and potatoes. She is also adding tomato sauce, salt, and pepper. The beef stew is all done. It looks gorgeous, and it smells lovely. Clara is kneading the dough for the bread on the wooden table. She has shaped the dough into loaves and now is carefully putting the tray into the hot oven. The loaves are rising and turning golden as they bake. Clara has just finished preparing a delicious apple pie as well, and now she is putting it in the oven to bake.
So, what was everyone's favorite part of today?
My favorite part was when I ran across the farm with the dog and the cat. We were so fast, it felt like we could run forever.
Feeding the animals. They were so noisy.
I liked cooking while the house was quiet.
I'll admit, chopping wood was tiring, but it feels good now.
That's why dinner together matters. It reminds us why we do all that work.
It's the quiet moments like this that stay with you. They make even the hardest days feel complete.